everyone. Wish you a very happy new year from our very sunny Singapore. I'm Alpha Ved and I'm here to present Invartis' first buy-side buzz video for the year 2022. December tends to be festive and quiet. We've still found a few interesting pieces which we thought are worth sharing. So here goes. First, Schroders announced a recent agreement to acquire 75% of the shareholding in Greencoat Capital Holdings Limited. Greencoat is Europe's largest renewables infrastructure manager. This deal follows two other large alternative deals in the US. First, T. Rowe Price's acquisition of Oak Hill Advisors in October 2021, and Franklin Templeton's announcement to acquire Lexington Partners in November 2021. This deal will help Schroders take advantage of the sector's two biggest trends. One, demand for more renewable energy assets, and two, expansion of the private capital sector. Second one, Europe's securities regulator ESMA has launched a consultation to understand how distributed ledger technology, DLT, can be used in trading and settlement. The DLT pilot will also be used to look at whether DLT can allow regulators easier access to data on transactions, transparency, and reference data. The use of DLT and blockchain in the securities market has increased. There has been greater use of tokenization, launch of more tokenized funds, and also more pilots have been announced and more transactions have been completed using DLT. Exciting times ahead. Third one, Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing Limited has announced, together with Shenzhen and Shanghai Stock Exchanges, to include eligible ETFs in the Stock Connect. This will provide investors with more options by broadening the existing Connect product ecosystem and also support the ongoing development of Hong Kong and mainland China capital markets. Separately, Shenzhen Stock Exchange and Singapore Exchange have also signed an MOU to establish an ETF product link to offer ETFs in each other's markets. Fourth, another one highlighting the growth of private capital markets. One of the original buyout giants, TPG, with an AUM of $109 billion, has launched its IPO roadshow pitch to investors seeking a valuation as high as $9.5 billion. TPG joins other private equity groups which are taking advantage of their rising valuations and listing publicly to rev up their growth. With this listing, TPG will join its peers such as Blackstone, KKR, and Apollo Global, who've been listed for years. Fifth one, adding fuel to the trend of ETFs stealing market share from mutual funds, Franklin Templeton announced in December to convert two of its mutual funds with a 5-year track record into ETFs. Franklin Templeton believes that client demand for active ETFs will grow given investors seek active insights combined with the benefits of the ETF structure. And one more thing, the Singapore regulator MAS flagged off climate change and the increasing prominence of cryptocurrencies as vulnerabilities that pose risk to the stability of the global financial system over the next 3 to 5 years. The risk is not pronounced at this juncture, they say, but it does warrant continuous monitoring and assessment of options. Interestingly, a US regulatory panel also flagged off the same risks to the US financial system. So that's it, folks, for this time's buy-side roundup. Thank you so much for watching, and do check out the links below if you'd like to read more about any of these stories. We're a group of buy-side professionals and we go through a lot of content and news in our day-to-day jobs and seek to bring the pieces to you which we think are most relevant. Do comment in the comment box below if you have any more interesting pieces to share, and follow us on LinkedIn for more of such monthly updates and other thought pieces. Meanwhile, take care and see you next month.